protocol. Okay, so let's tackle with the RGW 4. So as you can see here, this is a compact plastic structural design. So it can be placed on the discs, and it provides either two or four FXS FXO ports. So this is the front panel. As you can see here, we have the power LED status, and we have the STU. So usually, when the STU is steady red, it means that it does not acquire an IP address. So it's steady green. It means the registration is successful. So as well as the indicator here, it's green for power and for one. So it indicates that it is in service. And we have the PC indicator. We have the FXS port indicators as well as the FXO. So on the back panel, so as you can see here for the back panel, we have the FXO port, and these are RG11. They're used for connecting to PSTN or another PBX, and these two are for the FXS ports. It's also RG11. They're used for connecting analog phones, fax machines, or the POS machines. Then we have also the PC one port. So PC used to connect to a computer. One port is used to connect to uplink network. And of course, um, we have the power. It's because we have the 12 volts VDC power supply. So usually we recommend our partner to use the proper power adapter that is provided with the device. Okay, so for RGW8, we have here this is for the uh, eight ports. So this is metal. So unlike for the RGW4 that is plastic compact design, this is a metal structure design, and it can be also placed in your discs. And here we have also the power, the STU1, and the PC power indicator, and of course we have the FXO and FXS LED indicator. So for the back panel, again we still have here the FXO ports that's connecting for PSTN, as well as the FXS port connecting for the analog fax machines and POS machines. And we have the PC port, one port, and now we have the console port. This is used for local management and testing. And of course, we have the reset button. Usually, it used to restore the device to factory default. You just simply press this for 3 or 5 seconds or more, and then release that. So basically, it will the STU power here. The LED indicator will turn to blinking red, and then you can reboot the device, so it will reset to factory default. And we have the power interface. It's recommended to have a 12-volt VDC so power supply. Then they have the grounding terminal. Okay, so let's go to RGW48. This is the front panel. So basically, our RGW48 is designed with a 1U and with a 19-inch wide compact chassis. So this is suitable for standard cabinet installation. So here, we have the front panel. Here we have the LED matrix. It's a 4 by 4 matrix indicator. So usually, for initial 10 seconds of power up, if it's steady green, so it shows that it detects the FXS, and if it's blinking green, it shows that it detected a trunk line of the FXO. So here we have the back panel. So generally for the this one also will show glitter letter. So sometimes it will show C. It means that the IP address is conflict, and if it shows letter D, so glitter D here, it means that the device fails to start. So, and if it's something like letter T here, it means that the APP has some it's the device cannot be used normally. So that's one of the some indicators on this on the front panel, the LED matrix. So here also, moreover, the first few columns here for the here in the left, it matches the first line 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means that um, the corresponding interface card on the enterprise port is one for the first four lines. Then this the next lines. So this one card here, one slots, so indicates for from line 1 to line 16. So here, this is line 17. Then this is turn from up to 32, and this is line 33 to line 48. So as you can see here at the back panel, you have the options that it can do support also dual AC, single AC, dual DC, and single DC power supply. So here, this sample here is supports a dual AC. We have a dual AC power socket, input voltage from 100 to 240 volts, and for the DC, we do support from negative 48 VDC input voltage. And you can see we have two ETH port. This one can support up to 100 Mbps. And of course, we have the console port, and this is for local management and debugging. And we have the USB port, and we have the reset button, and of course, we have the power LED status, and the HTU and the alarm uh, indicators. Okay, so for RGW96, we can this one is designed for here 2U uh, 2 units. So as you can see here, we have 4 slots as well, and LED dot matrix. Can we have the 6 by 4 um, configurations for the LED status indicator and the interface card. And of course, for this one also supports from line 1 to line 24. So again, each RG45 supports this is the first column, line 1, 2, 3, and 4. So from and so on. This is again from line 1 to line 24. Then we have line 25. This one from line 25 to line 48. Then this one, the lower button on the left side is line 49 to line 72, and this one is from line 73 to line 96. So also on the back panel, this is generally, yeah, we can see here. We do support also single DC. In this part, we do support single DC. You have the option to support for power redundancy. We have the dual DC, and also support single AC and single DC. So here we have also the reset button, the console port for local management and debugging. We have the ATH1 port, and this one shows two powers. So we have, for now, we only have one, so it will indicate here the status of power A. And we have the STU and alarm LED indicator and the USB as well. Yeah, so this is example of a single AC source. So again, the AC power socket can support 100 to 240 VAC, and the DC can support negative 48 VDC. Okay, so let's proceed with